welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Tehzeeb. I share content all about designs and building websites using tools like Figma Webflow. If you are into that kind of things, you are into the right place. So today we are diving into something super practical, how to build a professional portfolio that doesn't just look good but actually helps you land jobs, gigs or clients. Okay, let's be real. A portfolio is your best wingman. It shows what you can do, how you think, and what makes your work stand out. Resumes are great, but they do not show your creativity, what your portfolio does. Okay, let's build your content, what should actually be on your portfolio. So let's move to the content you have to be focused on. Firstly, 3 to 5 solid projects that are the best one you have ever done. Project context, that what was the goal or what challenges do you face. Your role, what exactly did you do. The outcome, did it work, or any kind of feedback. Add the about section from where people know who you are and keep it real. And lastly, the contact info, which make it easier to reach you out. Stuck on what your portfolio should look like? Start by collecting inspiration. I personally love checking out some of them. Dribble always show you some UI UX examples from where you get inspiration. Let's move to the Behance. Behance always give you a fresh and super professional projects. And you can also get inspiration for your portfolio from Webflow Showcase and Wix templates. Scroll around, take notes, screenshot things you like. The goal here is not to copy, it's to figure out what speaks to you. Okay, let's move to those platforms from where you can make your portfolios. Okay, I will give you some options and it depends on your vibe and skill level. A Webflow is what I personally use a lot. It gives you crazy control. It will be great if you know a bit about layout and interaction. A Wix is a fast and initiative and full of awesome templates if you just want to drag, drop and go. Let's talk about Figma plus Webflow, the combo of both. That's a gold. Design everything in Figma, then build it in Webflow for fully flexibility. About the Adobe Portfolio, it is perfect if you are already in the Creative Cloud ecosystem. Keep your portfolio clean and clear, don't overcomplicate it. Stick to consistent fonts and colors, that looks way more pro. Add some touch of motion and animations in it. Add tells a story, treat each project like a case study. Or maybe you could also include a short video walkthrough of a project. Literally talk through what you did and why. Adds personality and shows communication skills too. And always remember that you are not just showing your work, you are showing how you think. Just a quick reality check. Your portfolio is not this one-time thing you set and forget. It's more like a living document. It should evolve as you do. So here is what I like to do every couple of months. I look through and see if there is better work I have done since. If yes, I swap it in. I rewrite project descriptions to reflect what I have learned or what's changed. And lastly, I give the layout a little cleanup. Think of your portfolio like a garden. You would not let your garden go wild and overgrown, right? Same with this, give it attention, water it with new projects, trim the stuff that no longer fits. It will bloom and you will feel more confident every time someone views it. Alright, I want to hear from you. What platform are you building your portfolio on? Webflow, Wix, Adobe or something else? Drop it in the comment. If this helped, give it a like, hit that subscribe button and share it with someone who is building their first portfolio. And if you want me to review yours, leave a link below. Might feature it in the next video. And if you are into the Figma, Webflow and design tutorials, this channel is all about that. So stick around, we have got more deep dives and practical builds coming your way soon. Appreciate your being here. Go build something amazing. See you in the next one.